Hey guys, welcome back. This is booster box number 3 for the month. Hopefully it all goes up in time. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Plastic seems to be getting a little easier for me to rip anymore. One, two, three, energy. 1, 2. I just saw something. I forgot my sleeves. I'll be right back. Alright, I got sleeves. None of the card trick. We have a Meowth, Stuffle, Pansage, Krogunk, Pikachu, Electrike, Wobbuffet, Whirlipede, Alolan Ninetales Reverse, nice, that's a rare, and a Charizard GX. And that's why I knew I forgot the sleeves, because I felt it. I'll go ahead and put Ninetales in one too, because that is a really good card. There we go. Are there any trainers? No, okay. One, two... Wait a minute, I was going to show you a code card with this one. Alright, never mind, sorry. Here's a code card for y'all. One, two, three, energy. 1, 2. We have a Wimpod, Togedemaru, Krogunk, Pansair, Magikarp, Plumeria, Super Scoop Up, Guzma, Tormenting Spirit in Reverse, nice, and a Turtonator. Alright. I'll get my organization back here eventually. Oh, 2 packs. There we go. As long as that stops happening, I might. One, 2, 3, energy. Oh, no, that was 2. Shoot, that was 2. This one's 3. Don't worry, it wasn't nothing great. It's just the Plumeria I threw. We have an Oddish, Dunskull, Esper, Morlul, Charmander. There's the Plumeria I threw. Solrock, Guzma, a Reverse Zygarde, nice, and a Darkrai Hollow. Wow, we are getting some decent pulls this time around. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve this one up too. Sorry, I'm not the greatest of commentary. I'm trying. Not exactly my strong point. We didn't get anything great, so I'll go ahead and keep the code card this time. We have a Ralts, Grimer, Sneasel, Charmander, Crabrawler, Wiki, Boba Fett, Seadra, a Reverse Noctowl, nice, and a Tangrowth. I don't know why I was going for a sleeve. One, two, three. Energy. 1, 2. We have a Ladybug, a Alolan Grimer, Riolu, Meowth, Vulpix, Viper, Super Scoop Up, Simipour, Reverse Meowth, and a Buckfish. I haven't been getting anything good this time around, really. Oh, here's the last couple packs. You have a Rattata, Limpod, Togedemaru, Sock, Mudbray, Rabombi, Sophocles, Viper, Reverse Persian, that's a rare, and an Alolan Raticate. One, two, three, energy. 1, 2. We got a Horsey, Mudbray, Ladybug, Hoot Hoot, Alolan Vulpix, Sophocles, Escape Rope, whoop, wrong pile, Rotodex, Reverse Butterfree, nice, I needed that one, and Necrozma, I think it is. GX. Nice. First time I've seen this one. I keep picking the sleeves up backwards. Nope, that's right. Go card this time. I'm slipping it. Come on. There we go. We got the focus. One, two, three. Energy. 1, 2. We got a Crabrawler, Sneasel, Venipede, Horsey, Cutiefly, Gloom, Escape Rope, Solrock, Reverse Dusknor, nice, and a Lycanroc, nice. And I did it again. God dang it. One, two, three, energy. 1, 2. We have a Pikachu, Pampor, Cutiefly, Pansear, Magikarp, Wiki, Wishful Baton, Rabombi, versus a Persimmon, and a Galissapod Hollow. Hollow. Wow. GX. Wow, the side of the box is just loaded, ain't it? And here's a code card for y'all for that. There we go. There we go. Now I'm not slipping up a bit. 1, 2, 3. Energy. 1, 2. We have a Stuffle, Crabrawler, Morlul, Sandygeist, Venipede, Metapod, Wishful Baton. Still can't say that card. We have a Reverse Panpour, or Simipour. Okay, still slipping up a little bit apparently. And an Electivire. One, 2, 3. Energy. 1, 2. We have a Hoothoot, Tangela, Dewpider, Inkay, Ralts, Seadra, Gloom, Lunatone. Not a single trainer in that pack. We have a Rattata Reverse and a Persimmon. Nope, this back. I about bit her. Woo! Slip it on my hand, slip it on my hand. There we go. 1, 2, 3, energy. 1, 2. We have a Crabrawler, Meowth, Stuffle, Pansage, Krogunk, Electrike, Rhydon, Bodybuilding Dumbbells, Reverse Azumarill, that's a rare, and a Slowking. One, 2, 3, energy. 1, 2. We have a Railu, Cutiefly, Tynamo, Duskull, Inkay, Dusclops, still can't say her name, Bodybuilding Dumbbells, Weakness Palsy Reverse, and an Araquanid. Whew! Really? One, two, three, energy. 1, 2. We have a Morlaw, Caterpie, Meryl, Rhyhorn, Sandygeist, Noctowl, Simipour, Buffalant, Reverse is a Porygon Z, and a Crabominable. It's getting kind of thin there. One, two, three. Energy. 1, 2. Only one hollow so far. Alolan Vulpix, Ralts, Grimer, Sneasel, Charmander, Noctowl, Mountain Lanakila, Simisear, Reverse Buffalant, which is only an uncommon, I thought it was rare, and a Vileplume Hollow. Nice. God, are they all in different directions? Or am I just that bad right now? We have 3 packs left, which I can't really complain with this half too much. One, two, three. Energy. 1, 2. We have a Pikachu, Noibat, Dupiter, Tangela, Rhyhorn, Kiawe, Mountain Lanakila, Electabuzz, Reverses a Wobbuffet, and a Persian. Two packs left. One, two, three. Energy. 1, 2. We have a Stuffle, Mudbray, Tynamo, Oddish, Dusclops, Buffalant, Charmeleon, Rhydon, Reverses a Pikachu, and Idledian. My energies are starting to seep over into my reverses. Can we get some more last pack magic here? One, two, three. Energy. 1, 2. We have a Venipede, Horsey, Mudbray, Ladybug, Hoot Hoot, Lana, Heatmore, Simisear, Reverses a Tangrowth, and our last card for this half is a Rhyperior Hollow. Nice. Ha! Got it that time. Alright, well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash that like button. Comment down in the comment section for more content. Comment down in the comment section down below. Subscribe for more content. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.